Welcome to Wise, the all-in-one tutor management platform for one-on-one and group sessions. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule recurring sessions on Wise. Start by opening any course and tapping Schedule Sessions. Add the session name, set the duration, and tap Add Recurring. Let's say a student wants classes every Monday and Friday. Choose the one-week frequency, select your days, and pick the start date. You can set an end date, and Wise will automatically calculate the total number of sessions, or choose to end after a specific number of occurrences. Once that's done, tap Add. You'll now see a preview of all upcoming sessions. Review the list and tap Create. Wise gives you way more flexibility with custom weekly and monthly scheduling. Choose weekly patterns or exact monthly dates, and Wise handles the rest. Ready to streamline everything? Book your free demo at wise.live.